Hello, today I am taking you the traveling microscope.
Measurements can be obtained by using this instrument without even a little touch because this instrument has a telescope with objective lens and eyepiece lens. These are leveling screws. Leveling screws are used to level the traveling microscope. By loosening this screw, the telescope can be moved fastly in horizontal direction. By loosening the screw behind this, the telescope can be moved fastly in vertical direction like this.
This is the vertical fine adjustment knob.
The telescope can be moved vertically by turning this knob, but before performing that, the screw behind this bar should be tightened.
And this is the horizontal fine adjustment knob.
The telescope can be moved slowly by turning this horizontal adjustment knob, but before performing that, this screw should be tightened. This is the focusing knob of the telescope. By turning this knob, the entire telescope can be moved forward and backward.
The telescope has both objective lens and eyepiece.
Before taking measurement, the eyepiece of the telescope is focused to the crosswire.
This is the knob what can be used to tighten and loose the telescope. This instrument has two vernier scales. This is the vertical vernier scale and this is the horizontal vernier scale.